Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning this morning. Uh, it's not sunny this morning. It's kind of overcast, but it's beautiful, however. All right, so this morning I don't have to go to the salon. I was there yesterday, late evening, and everything is nice and clean. So I don't need to go there this morning. However, I am gonna move this trailer over. I'm gonna put it over some more under the trees, or a little bit over. The truck, Smoky, I have to fix that issue where it cuts off, periodically. Like it just cuts off momentarily and comes right back on. It says something about traction control. Some issue with the traction control. I'm guessing it's just corroded connections by the computer. These trucks, they put the computer in the engine bay. I don't know why these makers do it like that, but eventually the elements, hot, cold, water, it makes those connections get corroded. The last time, as I said in the previous videos, I had changed a bunch of look guys, the sun is coming out. So I had changed a bunch of sensors and stuff that's affiliated with the traction control, and I want to say it didn't work, right? But then when I started messing with with that computer and cleaning up connections, to take it out and clean it up, put it back, I realized it stopped doing it. So I'm thinking it got corroded again. So I'm gonna take it out today and try and work on that today. So with that being said, give me a second, guys. I'm pulling out a weed. Yeah. So with that being said, I'm gonna get cranking on that because I don't have to go to the salon this morning. So I'm gonna get cranking on that. And then move this trailer over a little bit. Just to get it out the way. I'm gonna put it some more over under the trees somewhere. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna feed the birds as well. Put some feeding in the bird feeder. As I said, the salon is good. We ain't gotta worry about the salon too much. I know it's clean. So see, bird feeder is empty. Let me give them some food. Guys, I don't fill it up every day, because if I fill it up every day, they just go ham on it and eat it in 2-3 days. So I kind of space it out and put it in there, every couple of days. I fill it. When it's empty, I don't fill it same time. I'll give it a couple of days. Guys, the sun is coming out. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Look, I just came out and the sun wasn't shining, and all of a sudden sun came out. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do this morning. As I said, this is a life every day. Some days I ain't got much to do, some days I have a lot to do. We still waiting on permits, guys. Hopefully this week we'll hear something. I am gonna get with my general contractor and have him try to see if what's going on over here. He might know someone in the county he could talk to, see what's going on. So I'm gonna definitely reach out to him at some point today. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna get started on the truck. I'm gonna move the truck in the driveway, and take that computer out and clean it up, put it back, see if that solves our issue. If not, I'm just gonna have to buy parts. The thing about it is, this problem is like an intermittent problem. It doesn't throw codes, it doesn't throw check engine lights or anything like that, so you don't know what to look for. It just happens momentarily and goes away. When you put the scanner on it and scan it, there's no codes affiliated with the traction control. So with that being said, it's just a problem. You'll have to just throw parts at it, and you know, I know it happened before twice, so I kind of figure out the main things that need to be changed in order to solve the problem. I just haven't pinpointed it in the past. I want to say it's the connections at the computer, because several times in the past I had changed two sensors and it didn't work. It's just that I keep forgetting what exactly I did, because it lasts a year or 2 years, you know what I'm saying? So so now I'm just gonna start by taking that computer out and cleaning it up, and you know, plug it back in, as well as the sensors. I'm gonna unplug those sensors, clean them up, and put them back in. So let me go do that. Let me start moving those things around. Let's put this bird feeder back. Yeah. It's a little bit late now. It's probably like 10 o'clock. So I know the birds ain't gonna eat right now. They normally eat early in the morning, 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 6:30, 8. Between 6:30 and 8, that's the time they come out. Right now you don't even hear any birds. Normally you would hear them. So they come out early in the morning, eat. They stop by and eat and go about their day. At this time of day it's just quiet. There's nothing making any noise. I don't see any squirrel. I believe they're just hiding because they think that it's gonna rain maybe. So, but the sun is coming out, so hopefully they'll be out and be happy. So yeah, let me move on to the next thing. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna bring the truck over and move that trailer. Alright guys, so it turned out to be a beautiful day today. I'm gonna move the trailer over, sorry, and then work on the van. So let me get going and get this van over here. Here's the trailer right there. I'm gonna move it over. So let's see where we're gonna move it. I'm gonna probably pull it up and bring it over closer to where those trees are right there. So I'm gonna probably move it from here over to there where the trees are. So let me do that now. Then there's Smokey right here. Smokey! I'm gonna hook up the trailer to the tow hitch right there. Alright guys, so let's set you up right here. I'm gonna have to turn the van around, so let me go forward and then come back. See, I'm backing up to the trailer now. It's gonna take me a few tries, guys. I don't have a backup camera in here, no backup camera, so I can't see that the pin, the ball. I just normally just kind of center the van and guess where it is, you know. So let me go outside. See. So I'm gonna need this thing right here. I'm gonna need to unlock it. So see, I'm gonna match this ball that goes under here. For those who don't know. So and then move forward. I'm gonna have to move forward and backward a couple times. Guys, I don't want to leave the camera right here. I'm gonna try and leave it. Let's hope it don't fall off. This is for the vlog, guys. Let's see. I'll do it for the vlog. Guys, I'm way off, so let's wind this up some more, and then I'm gonna have to go over that way. Alright, so I think that's high enough, so let me move over. So I still need to go over some more. Alright, so I'm almost there. I just gotta go back straight now. Alright, so that'll work. So you see we lined up. So once we lower it will fall in. See? Fall right in. So all I have to do now is just bring the legs up some more. Bring the legs up off the floor. And then we're all hooked up. And I could close this. Well, I gotta go forward a little bit. Let me go forward a little bit, guys. Give me 1 second. Alright, so now we could lock it. We could lock that pin. Alright, lock the ball. Now we could lift the legs up and then we could pull forward. This thing is for the trailer brakes. In order for it to move, we have to put this in. So alright, that should be high enough right there. Let's put this board plug this in. So we don't have to attach it to the truck itself, but we just gotta plug it in. So I'm gonna rewrap it neat. So we just gotta plug it in here. Right. So, alright. I'm gonna move forward now. Let me get you guys over here. I could show you. I'm gonna show you when I'm moving forward.
Alright guys, so now alright guys, so the trailer is moved. We got it more over to that corner. It was over there. Now I got it done. And so we got a bird eating, a couple of birds eating over there by the bird feeder. Alright, so let me get the truck up in the front of the building. The front of the garage. I'm gonna work on getting the that thing cleaned up, the computer plugs cleaned up. It just did it a while ago. If you were, I don't know if the camera picked it up, but while the camera was on the bumper, it pretty much cut out and cut back in. Like it did it for a split second. Like it just did it and then started up right back up. Yeah. So I'm gonna pull it up in the front, let the truck cool down a little bit. I had it idling for a minute while I was moving the trailer, so I'm gonna pull it over here and then cut it off.